Adobe just announced Firefly Image 3, a new, improved version of their image generator, so let's test it out. First, Adobe says that Firefly Image 3 produces higher quality images, so I ran some prompts to generate real people. It's not bad, but honestly, I don't see much improvement from the version 2, and it's definitely behind me journey. Next, Firefly 3 is claimed to better understand long and complex prompts. So let's try.
A 3D animated character, quirky, fuzzy penguin wearing a big hat, goofy goggles, and yellow raincoat with red boots in the rain.
It's not bad at all, it got all the details right. Let's try now something more complex.
Futuristic cityscape in a cyberpunk style with neon lights, digital billboards, and interactive holographic displays. Cars flying above between the skyscrapers, people and cyborgs walking in the streets.
Oh, that's trash. I changed and ran this prompt multiple times and the results were just bad. And lastly, Firefly 3 should produce more accurate text in images. Let's try a friendly robot holding a sign that says hello. Not bad. 4 out of 4. Now let's give it a longer text. Keep calm and follow me. Close, but not there yet. I tried multiple prompts and it nails short, simple words, but it doesn't do a good job with longer words or phrases. Let me know what you think of it. I would love to hear your thoughts.